Starting the new week together here on a Monday. Thank you for making 1 Degree Outside Weather Network part of your start to the week and start to each day. Sunshine or storms. We did have a lot of storminess over the weekend, didn't we? You were sending us your reports via the Send to Us tab of our app. We were putting out some of those push notifications, and we can geo-target those so they apply to certain areas. That's what we did over the course of the weekend. But nonetheless, if you don't have it already, it's free. It's 5 stars. It's on the App Store and Google Play. Just search 1 Degree Outside Weather. Stubborn coastal breeze for us today, particularly from Boston down to the Cape. It's coming out of the northeast still off the ocean. There will be some scattered showers and thunder, not only the ones that we have around this morning in spots, but you get some more that pop by tomorrow afternoon. And then like we so often do in New England, don't we talk about this all the time as New Englanders? We're going to make this big about face, and you got to go from cool and unsettled to what'll be summer warmth and heat by the time we get to the end of the week. That's not the case today. Very spring-like today, feeling like the 40s at the bus stop this morning, in the 40s. And then later on in the day, the actual temperature comes to the mid-60s, but the feels-like forecast is still lower 60s or so. Comfortable enough for the kids to do short sleeves, but they may want that hoodie getting out the door this morning. Here's that breeze that I was talking about. Even by the time we get to about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you're gusting to 30 right at the immediate coastline. The wind is quieting in northern New England first, and a lot of us find that wind sitting down as we get to the course of the late evening and overnight. The showers in some spots this morning, which you can track in our radar, in our app for that matter, start to get pressed south and west over time as we get to midday, which you're looking at here. And then notice the clouds even start to break up as we get to the afternoon. There's still going to be an afternoon pop-up isolated shower from northern Maine to the hilly terrain of northern and western New England, but most of us will actually quiet down as we get to the later afternoon, and then pretty much clear the sky out as we head to the overnight tonight. That does allow the temperature to fall tonight, especially because it doesn't get that far today. You're capped at about 60 right at the coastline with that northeast breeze. You're running in the mid-60s for the interior. Low to mid-60s, probably the best we'll do in central New England for southern New Hampshire, southern Vermont, southern Maine. When you get into the North Country, we actually can make a run near 70 in the Champlain Valley. But the farther east you go, the more into that cool air you are. Again, that's okay because it also tends to dry us out and clear us out a little bit, aside from maybe that lingering isolated shower that'll pop again in the mountains. But most of us, once we get rid of this morning stuff that's been scattered around, we're going to be on an improving trend. And then overnight tonight, we drop down to the 40s for lows. Another cool night that's ahead of us. Again, we'll stay cool until we're not, which is going to be Thursday, Friday. You make that change at about face to 80s, even 85 to 90 by the end of the week. If you like what you see here and you want to support us, we are not corporate owned and we have no investors. This is bootstrapped and it's been built from the ground up. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com to find a way that you can support us there. But just by watching this video, you're supporting us and we appreciate it. Hope you have a great day. We will keep you posted and have more videos always at 1 Degree Outside on our app, of course, the website, onedegreeoutside.com, and on our 24/7 stream, which you can find on the computer at 1degreeoutside.live or on your smart TV in the YouTube app. Just search for the 1 Degree Outside Network.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com, and don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside Weather.